Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today let's make some creamy chicken sandwiches without using any cheese or mayonnaise at all. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Half a cup of grated potatoes. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and saute for a few seconds. Then add 1 large onion finely chopped. 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Half a cup of grated carrots. 1 long chopped green chilli, saute them well. Next add in 1 cup of shredded chicken. Finally add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Add more if you prefer your sandwiches to be spicier and give a good mix. Then transfer it into a bowl. Now for the white sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter over a low heat. Then add 1 tablespoon of flour and roast for a couple of minutes. Add in 1 cup of milk, little by little while mixing vigorously. Cook it over a low heat till it thickens. Now you can see that the sauce has thickened very well. Now pour it onto the prepared chicken filling and mix until the curry is completely coated by the white sauce. Now it's time to assemble. Take 2 slices of bread. I have cut off the edges of these slices. Spread a generous layer of the creamy chicken filling. Then cover it by the second slice. I am going to toast the second set of sandwiches, so I have not cut off the edges in these slices. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Now toast them for a couple of minutes. Do try these delicious creamy chicken sandwiches and tell how they turned out in the comments down below. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.